Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the hottest deals and the coolest gadgets. I'm 𝐀𝐥𝐢𝐄𝐱𝐩𝐫, and today we've got an exciting lineup of mechanical keyboards that'll elevate your gaming and typing experience. Let's dive in. First up, we have the V800 Blue Axis mechanical game keyboard. This 68-key powerhouse is a game changer for PC, laptop, and office users. Here's why it's stealing the spotlight: hot swappable switches and ergonomic design. Customize your typing experience with hot swappable switches and enjoy ergonomic design for a comfortable typing experience. Ice blue backlight and multiple lighting modes. Immerse yourself in the stunning ice blue backlight with over 19 different lighting modes for a personalized touch. Detachable cable design and long data cable. Keep your workspace tidy with a detachable cable design and enjoy a 1.75-meter-long data cable for flexible connections. Dual-color injection keycaps and durability. The dual-color injection keycaps ensure longevity. And with a 50 million keystroke lifespan, this keyboard guarantees durability and stability. Multi-system compatibility and portability. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This compact and portable keyboard is your on-the-go companion. Next on our list is the 𝐀𝐥𝐢𝐄𝐈𝐒 K620 wired mechanical keyboard, a sleek and stylish choice for gamers and office warriors alike. Check out its impressive features: mechanical operation style. Enjoy a tactile and responsive typing experience with the mechanical operation style. RGB lights. Personalize your keyboard with stunning RGB lights and choose from various colors and effects. 61 keys. Type efficiently with the compact 61-key layout. Dye sublimation keycap printing. The durable dye sublimation printing ensures the keycap design lasts. Now, let's explore the 𝐀𝐥𝐢𝐄𝐈𝐒 A100 gaming mechanical keyboard, offering both wired and wireless connectivity. Here's what makes it stand out: hot swap switches. Easily swap out switches without soldering, allowing for customization and easy maintenance. Wired and wireless connectivity. Connect via USB Type-C or 2.4G wireless, providing versatility and convenience. Rechargeable battery. Say goodbye to frequent power supply changes with the rechargeable battery. Backed by popular demand, we have another look at the 𝐀𝐥𝐢𝐄𝐈𝐒 K620 wired mechanical keyboard. This one's a true crowd pleaser. Quick recap of its standout features: RGB lights for a customizable backlighting experience. 61 keys for efficient typing. Mechanical operation style for a responsive feel. And finally, let's revisit the 68 keys mechanical keyboard with all its exceptional features. Don't miss out on hot swappable switches and ergonomic design. Ice blue backlight with multiple lighting modes. Detachable cable design and long data cable for a clutter-free workspace. Dual-color injection keycaps and a whopping 50 million keystroke lifespan. Multi-system compatibility and portability. There you have it, folks. The top-notch mechanical keyboards that are shaking up the tech scene. Links to these fantastic products are in the description below. Grab yours now and level up your typing and gaming experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing tech content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest deals. Thanks for joining us on today's hot deals, and until next time, happy typing and gaming.